Hello, my name is Brijraj Bhatt from Mitanshi Technologies, and I'm back yet again with another video on my Shopify series. Today, we will learn about how to sell digital products on Shopify. Say for example, if you are a Shopify website owner and you want to sell products like ebook, PDF, and artwork, songs, then how you can do that on Shopify. We will see just that in this video. First of all, we will need a plugin that will enable the customers to download those digital products. So first things first, click on the apps option, click on all recommended apps, and you will see an option Shopify App Store. Click on it. A new tab will appear. Just search for digital downloads. This plugin is built by Shopify itself. Here it is. Click on it. It will ask for permissions to view personal data, to view and edit store data. It will give it the required permissions. So now the plugin is installed and the next step is to add the product. Click on the products page. You can even import your products if it's in a form of a CSV file. There are two options. You can either upload a CSV file or you can import data from another platform. You can choose any option that you like. I'll go with add product. I'll do it manually. I'll fill in the data of my product over here. I am adding a PDF. I have given it a title and a description. I can add the price over here. Say for example, if I am charging 100 rupees for this PDF, I can choose whether or not to add the tax. It's a digital product, so we don't need the tracking option, so you can uncheck this. And most important thing, this is a physical product. You need to uncheck this option since our product is not a physical product. It's a digital product. So make sure to uncheck this option. Otherwise, this will not work. So just click on save option and your product will be created. You can confirm that your product is active by reading the status here, active. Now you can go to more actions and add digital file option. You can attach a PDF. As you can see, I have attached the PDF. Click on the fulfillment option and it will ask two important questions that you need to be aware of. It will ask how to send digital files to customers. Do you want it automatically or you want it manually? It basically means if the downloads should start automatically or it should be a manual process. Obviously, we should go for automatically. The second option is the maximum number of times a customer can download these files. Let the customer have unlimited downloads. And if I click on apply, boom, those changes will be applied. You can easily manage your orders by clicking on the orders page in the app. Here all your orders will be shown. And if you navigate to the settings page, you will see two email templates, download ready and digital file update. Click on edit template option on the download ready option. Actually, this is the template which will be sent to your customers, informing them that the download is ready. You will see a number of placeholders over here and you can customize the content of the email as you like. The other is digital file update. Whenever you apply any changes or update your digital file, this is the mail that will be sent to your customers. Click on edit template and you can customize this email as you like as well. The last thing about this app is the checkout option. It allows customers to download digital files directly from the checkout page. And you can choose if you want to let this happen. If it is so, you can have this setting activated like it is right now, or you can deactivate it if you like. So this is how you can sell your digital product on Shopify. The only thing remains now is to promote your products to customers, and as soon as they will buy this product, a PDF in this case, they will be easily able to download your digital product and use it at their convenience. So this is how you can manage digital products on Shopify. Like this video and subscribe to this channel, and I'm going to be back with even more interesting videos in the future. So wait for the coming videos and I'll see you again.